Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, which is all about my online school essentials, and I'll be talking about everything I use to succeed in online school and my favorite items. So let's get into it. But before we start, the sponsor of today's video is the new Wondershare Document Cloud, which is a cloud storage and electronic signature program that's all in one. And you can sign up for a free trial to test it out. So you just click on the button, enter your email address, and how it works is you upload a file that you need to be signed or saved to your document cloud, and then you can go into documents and you have all these different features, such as just viewing the document just because you saved it, or if you want to send it for a signature, you add the signer's email, and if you need to sign it, you can click there and you can sign it first or last. And when you're also sending it to the signer, you can upload a picture and have a subject about what they need to sign. So it's really simple to use. All you do is drag and drop where you need to sign and where they need to sign, which is afterwards. And if they don't have the specific one you need, you can always add it in the custom section and drag and drop, which is really fun and satisfying. So once you've finished all this, you can send for signature, and you will enter your information first. You can enter your signature. You can do this by saving one, or you can type one up. You can also upload it from your computer or draw one with your mouse, which I don't really recommend as it's kind of hard to do. So I definitely recommend drawing it out before on a different software. And then maybe you can just enter all the information and you have sent your document. They have a free trial version, but they also have a paid version. Next, I will be showing you the team and business feature. So you go into the corner and you can see reports, which will show you how many you have completed, waiting for me. There are also other features, such as creating a template that you can reuse again and again. So let's just create a template, and you can do this by uploading a feature, and if it needs 3 signers, you can add all 3 and then put signatures and dates and times, whatever you need for each specific signer, then send it out, which I think is really great if you need multiple people to sign it, but all in different locations. It will be super confusing to know who's got to sign where, and you'll just be all over the place. But Wondershare Document separates it all, so it's super easy to understand. So thanks again to Wondershare Document Cloud for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to it. My first essential is, of course, my MacBook. I use it for everything from Zoom meetings to writing up articles to typing, everything like that. So that's why it's my #1 item. The next item is my iPad. I recently got it, but it has been a life changer as I use it to plan out my life with my agenda as I switched from bullet journaling, and just having a pre-made template is so much more organized and easier to do than making journal spreads every single day. But this is much more efficient, and I find it's easy to tick off the tasks as it's designed for me. And the iPad is also great as you can do note-taking with it, especially with the Apple Pencil. And I got this new case that is kind of like a pencil, and it's really cool. And I just personally think that having the iPad for note-taking saves a lot of space, and it's more efficient, and everything isn't cluttered up and all in one place, so that's why it's my favorite item. Online school can also be exhausting. You're sitting in front of a computer screen all day, and I definitely know that it feels tiring at times. However, one thing I use to keep me awake is just a bottle of water. It's pretty simple, but it can just be refreshing, and just like take a sip and like you're suddenly transported across the world, if you know what I mean. And you can just fill it up with your tap water, or I have a filtered thing. My next item are my blue light filter glasses. These are actually my prescription glasses as I can't really see very well, but you can also buy them without a prescription just in case you don't need to wear glasses. And the next item on my list are my study playlist and AirPods. So I know like when you're reading through something on the internet or just like researching something, it gets kind of boring. So if you put on like a study playlist, it just makes everything much better, and I think it just brightens the mood a bit and makes studying more fun and something you're looking forward to. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!